school begins tomorrow. They have new bags, water bottles, new uniforms, new books, and even new shoes. They say they'll play and go to bed early when mother calls them in the morning. They get up at once from the bed. They get ready quickly and wait for the school bus. They board the school bus and chatter all the way. And they meet other children at the bus stop. Then I can